Hello, everyone. My name is Susanna, and today I'd like to introduce you to my capstone project, Freelancers Pal. So, Freelancers Pal is a tool to help freelancers with project management, timekeeping, and invoicing. So, I currently work as a graphics designer and web designer, and I was thinking if there is a better way to present all my project deliverables and also my timesheet and invoicing to my client in a better way. So, therefore, in this application, I created a way for freelancers to create a client facing page where you can show all your files and all the hours you have logged in a very professional manner. So this is what the application is about. And before I start with the demo, I'd like to show you my tech stack that I used for Freelancers Pal. So for the backend, I have used Supabase, which is kind of like a Firebase alternative that is open source. And with Supabase, I use it for user authentication. It includes login and also sending an email for you to change your password. And also, Supabase includes a Postgres database with RLS policies in which I can store my data. And additionally, it also features file storage in buckets where I can upload files for my projects. And as for the front end and also a little bit of back end, I use Next.js. Next.js allows me to render components. It's basically kind of like React. And for the backend, I use Next.js for the routing and also to connect the database to Supabase. And lastly, I have used some third party tools such as Tailwind, in which it makes styling websites easier. And since it's mobile first, I'm able to create a mobile version of this application so clients can also take a look at the page and also the deliverables on their phone, as I believe it's something that's very important for them. And I also use ShatCN, which is like a library of UI components. And within there, I also use ShatCN form to validate the forms that I've submitted. So, with further ado, I'm going to start demonstrating what this application is like. So, the first step we're going to do is to sign in first. So signing in, we can see that we have some existing projects that I have made before for demonstration purposes. And let's start with adding a new project. But before we do that, I'd like to show you some of the themes we have. We have a light theme, we have a coffee theme, and also it can adjust your theme according to your system. So let's stick with coffee theme because my favorite thing to drink during work is coffee. So let's add a new project here first. And let's say I'm going to make a project called Freelancers Pal. And I guess the rate per hour will be 30. And we can also put in tags. I'm going to put in web development and maybe the stack as well. The stack that I'm using right now is Next.js and also Supabase. And the input tags will be separated by commas. And for the description, I'm just going to type, this is my capstone. So with this, we're able to create a new project. From here, you can see that the tags that are separated by commas, they are tags and keywords here. So when scrolling, you can easily see what this project is about. So clicking inside here, as you can see, there are no image yet. So let's add an image so that it's easier for our clients to see what's going on. So I'd say maybe let's do like a screenshot like that, and uploading it, we can see that we have an image for our application. So moving on, um, we can actually edit the project as well anytime you want. So I think I'm going to just make a little bit of update. This is my capstone. It is cool. I'm going to add another tag, maybe JavaScript. And as you can see, it updates successfully. And the next thing we're going to do is to add some of the deliverables. So the deliverables you can add have two types: links and also files. So when adding links, we can like do like simple name for the link. I would say deployed for sale project, and I can just put in the link here. And here you can see there is a form where you can copy the link, and you can edit and also delete the link. And I guess let's also add some files. So file upload is a feature in our app where you can upload anything like PDF, you can upload photos and such. So I'm going to upload like a random screenshot here. And as you can see, it has been uploaded successfully with also the file type. So at the moment, if you click download, you'll be able to see this image. And from there, you can just right click, and then you'll be able to download it. At the same time, you can also copy file URL, and so that you can just access this image through a URL anytime. So the next thing I would like to show is that you can also add timesheets. And let's add a task. I'd say maybe Figma prototype, in which I believe I started working on it on like January 12th. And I believe I spent 5 hours on this task. I created a Figma prototype like this. And here you can see that the timesheet has been added, and there is a total overview of how much I've worked for this project, the rate per hour, and also the total amount that your client is supposed to pay you. So from here, you will be able to edit your task and also delete your task. So then we can see that our deliverables and also timesheet and also the cover image is all sorted out. So how do I send it to my client so they can see all of this? So the easy way to do it is that, as you can see on top, there is a toggle called private. So right now, if we go to the client portal, we can see that we cannot access it because this project is not public yet. So what we can do is to enable it, and then now it is public. And from here, if we click client portal, we'll be able to see a page that's client siding, and you do not need any login to access this. And they'll be able to access the links here, and they'll be able to download the file and also take a look at the timesheet, which could be your invoice. So the next feature that I have created in this application as well is a timesheet calendar. So as a freelancer, it's very important for us to know what task we did for the day. So from this dashboard, you'll be able to see what task you have done, for example, today. Today we don't have any task, but earlier I made like a task on 26. So we'll be able to see all the tasks we have done for this page. We'll know the hours spent, and also from here we can directly go to the project that we have worked on for the task. So yeah, this is my project, and I hope you enjoy it. So please access the link and try it out. I hope it will be a great tool. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.